Hello, my friend. Arilima, Baridets. Hello, hello. Thank you. Very good. Kita na po mo pohon. Sis, dito lang may gagawin. Salamat, Armelinda, ha. Thank you talaga. Mao, pag-uli na ako. Last July. Oo nga pala, no. Nag-uli, ay mo. Kami 2 years ago, di ba? Ni-uli mi 2 years ago. July pod, kay birthday sa akong mama. Mama Lu, thank you, Arilima. Hold on, I will check out also your video. I will check out your link that you dropped. I'm here now, Arilima, watching. Sis, dito lang may gagawin. Oh, this is just a short video. Cobra. Oh my gosh, that's scary. Thank you, Arlima. Thanks for your time. Done watching. I will check out your long video if you have new one. 6 days ago, you have 2 minutes. Next year po na pod ko from Sis Angging Fe. Mayon tag magkakita ta Sis Angging Fe. Beautiful flowers dan dito. Sandali, ipakita ko lang ang niluto ko tapos na mag-off na ako sa sa Facebook ko. Ilan na lang. Pakita ko lang muna. Kulang pa man siya. Kulang pa siya. Sis Lorna, salamat sisi. Guys, padikit naman yung nakapin, guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for all your support. Thank you for stopping by Mama Lu's live stream. Muuli ka Cebu. Agtumi plana mo Sis Angging Fe sa Siargao. Sa Siargao tapos sa Siargao og sa Bohol. Sa Bohol Sisi. Mulabay lang sa Cebu. AG Lucky One, thank you. Tuk Vlog. Hello Tuk Vlog. Guys, connect to each other, guys. Ikuan ako muna ang akong giluto ha. Pagkauman, magkuan dayon ko. Tuk Vlog, thank you. Hold on, I will check out also your new upload Tuk Vlog. Two months ago, Tuk Vlog, you have no new upload Tuk Vlog. I know you have new two channels. Oh, you drop a link. Okay, I'm here now. I'm here the link that you drop. Oh, you're going to have a premiere upcoming 5 days ago. Okay, 271 thumbs up. Support Takatak Vlog, please. I already support your two channel. Tuk Vlog. Takatak Vlog. I'm also connected to that channel. I'm here now watching your 13 minutes. Watching Tak Vlog.